My phone switched to airplane mode by itself. No signal, no Wi-Fi, completely offline. Then a notification appeared. Emergency alert. Stay where you are. I laughed. Those only come from the government. Another alert followed. Same tone, different message. We didn't send the first one. My lights flickered once. Just once. The phone vibrated again. This is not a drill. Someone else is using the system. I tried to unlock my door. It wouldn't open. Final alert. If you can read this, it's already inside your house. Your phone hasn't buzzed yet, and that's the worst part.